MAINE Custom Cruisers, something like that, annual show at the Freiburg Fairgrounds. And later on this afternoon they're going to have jousting. Hey, look, there's a couple of 41 are they Pontiacs? Yeah, Pontiacs. 2 of them. Yeah, I think it's right over on that track there. You got a passenger with a pool cue, and they have a ring that you have to drive by and hook the ring. That's interesting. I don't know what year that is, 36 or something. It's pretty nice. And then there's a Corvette. Chevy, maybe a 47. Yeah, it's nice inside. What's this one here? 36 Dodge. No, maybe not a Dodge, is it? Plymouth. Huh. Nope, DeSoto says. Looks like picture of the Mayflower on it. I don't understand. But anyway, doesn't look like a Plymouth, so probably a DeSoto. And of course,
this is it right here. That's not bad thing, is it? A really ambitious group here. Not too hot yet. No. Get that nice breeze. Yeah, just a little breeze out. He said yesterday up here, he wanted to get blown away, I guess. Oh, yesterday was horrible.
52 Lincoln. Yeah, my brother had one of these with a convertible. And it was a light purple. It was a beauty. Back when these cars were all over the place. I think this 57 Chevy's been around here a long time. Because I know I used to have a 4-door hardtop, and this was around back then. And that was more than 10 years ago. Customized 54 Ford, 53, maybe even 52. See if I can tell from the dashboard. Oh, I can't tell. I think it says 50th anniversary on the steering wheel, so it must be a 53.
I had 2 of them, right? So they were both beat to shit.
Oh, I'm gonna have to mute the... 38 Chevy. Rodin Custom Cruisers of Maine, that's the name of the club. There's a truck for sale. See what it says here on the sign. 66 Ford F100, C6 transmission. I don't know, 521 cubic inch. That can't be right. 9 inch. It doesn't, oh, $20,000 for the best offer. Oh wow, the dashboard is nice. It's got all the trim on the sides.
What's your other one? Huh? I didn't know that was one that had the truck. What it is.
Well, since my baby left, well, I find a new place to dwell. Well, it's down at the end of a lonely street.
Heartbreak Hotel, no baby.
I'll make you so lonely, baby. Well, I'm so lonely. I'll make you so lonely,
I could die.
Oh, though it's always crowded, you still can find some room. For broken-hearted lovers too crowded to be so. I'll make you so lonely, baby. I'll make you so lonely. I'm so lonely, I could die.
So lonely, I could die. You make me so lonely, baby. So lonely, I could die. Gotta clean off the Pontiac. Don't want to go anywhere with a dirty car. Yep, we're here at the car show, and we got the cleanest car here because we just washed it, and these cars have been here all day, so this is the most recently clean car anyway.
Except that we didn't use soap and water.
Yeah, we just use a hose and a sponge. Shop 2-door sedan.
Yep.
Nice. 289 or 302 maybe. We gotta turn it off and get near the music. This one when I transcribe. What do we got here? 29 Model A.
29. That's my used to be my. That's like the head carpenter at Tamworth there.
Oh yeah.
There we go. I guess they put a regular alternator in it and turned it over to 12 volts so they could go further with it now.
Sure is clean.
I know it, huh?
Yeah. supper. Looks like there's lots of good stuff to eat. Okay, so I think I might have overdone it a little bit here. Where the hell is my fork? Oh, I lost my fork. I gotta go back and get another fork. I got pizza. I got beans, American chop suey, macaroni and cheese, macaroni salad. Pizza's good. I gotta go find a fork.
Alright.
Richard's doing pretty well too. Well, this is what Richard and I have been working on. It's a 55 Ford F100. The engine is a 460, great big block, and it's got a new carburetor and a lot of new parts on it. And I did a lot of body work for a guy with a transmission shop, and he rebuilt the transmission. And this is the one he rebuilt. We put it in there, and well, it took a while before I got a drive shaft, so I didn't realize that it didn't work. It went in first gear, and that was it. It only go low gear. So we got another transmission. Yesterday we pulled this engine out in between going to that car show, and we pulled out the transmission. We got another one in there now. We couldn't drop it out of the bottom because the cross member was welded in. We didn't want to cut it. So as soon as we have lunch, we're gonna try to hook that transmission up to the motor and see if we can get it to run. So yeah, she's got new interior, got some new glass, tinted. I gotta replace these. I bought these chrome vents and they don't fit, they don't work. I'm gonna have to put the old ones back. Gotta find the door to that glove box. And I got door panels and stuff. And here's the door panels. And there's a floor pan and a kick panel over there. And cross member in here. And a drive shaft and whatnot. But there it is. She's a beauty. Cadillac taillights. I need to clear coat that tailgate, but got some dusty 59 Cadillac taillights. But everything on here that had to be replaced has all been replaced with new stuff. I'm gonna have to find a different steering wheel though. That one's ugly. And so that's what's been going on while we've been this weekend. Maybe by next weekend we'll have it on the road. I sure hope so. It's been several years in the making. Oh, by the way, yeah, I got a set of 5 of these. I can't seem to get them to go on, and that damn wheel weight keeps kicking them back out. So I don't know. I've got some little dog dish hubcaps that'll fit it, but I gotta get the chrome rings if I use them. Sorry, I had to delete some of the, or mute some of the video where Elvis Presley was singing Heartbreak Hotel. But you'll have to just hum it in your head. I got leftover parts. I still have to put all this stuff together. All kinds of parts for this truck in here. And as well as tools and stuff. I don't know what all this junk is. I'll have to go through it. But mirrors, factory original mirrors. It's going to be a beautiful truck when it's done. Anybody want to buy it, let me know, because I want to sell it as soon as it's done.